Today we're going to do cheddar broccoli soup with a twist. Got to get us a little onion ready. I got dirty helping somebody change a tire earlier, so now I'm in a fresh white t-shirt out of the bag so I can get it dirty. About got my finger, so we need a garlic clove. Now, I got a half cup of butter and a half cup of flour. I'm going to move you guys, well, try to. Our stove on medium low. We're going to use the last of our homemade butter. We had to add a little bit. We're going to add our onions and garlic, and we're going to saute them until they turn translucent. Now that our onions are pretty close, we're going to start sprinkling our flour in for a roux. We're going to work all this in, and we may have to add some more butter if we need. So I'm going to get all this worked in. Had to add 3 ounces more butter. Now we're going to add our chicken stock, 3 cans. Whatever kind you can find a good deal on, it don't matter. Get our flour stirred in, then we'll add our cream. We're going to add a quart of half and half. We're going to go work our vegetables up while it's coming to a boil. So I found some chicken on sale, probably about £1.5 pounds. So we're going to work that up and put that in there with it. All right, now that we've got our chicken worked up, we're gonna work up our broccoli, but we're only gonna take the little pieces. Because if you take the whole floret, they just take a long time to cook. Then we'll work them up with your fingers here in a second. I bet the guinea pig is gonna love today. All right, we're gonna work these up with our fingers a little bit. That looks pretty good. Now, we're gonna add our matchstick carrots. Probably just needs about a cup, but we'll throw them all in there. And I found some spinach for 99 cents. I thought that would probably rock out pretty good too. Okay, we got our soup base heating up, just now starting to boil, so we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Now, you could have probably sauteed the carrots with the onions, but I didn't think it'd work out so well where I was making a roux too at the same time. But everybody does stuff a little different, right? So we're going to cook this about 20 or 25 minutes. We've cooked our soup probably about 25 minutes. Now we've reduced the heat, and then we're going to add our cheese. 2 cups sharp cheddar. And I don't know, but I'm guessing we knocked this one out of the park. I've pulled the soup, it's cooled off for the most part. Let's give it a go. Good and thick. Smells amazing. Looks great. Make something good to go with it. Toasted a whole Italian loaf. That's a game changer. That roundhouse kicked my nerves right in the mouth. That's probably the best thing I've cooked so far. That is delicious. Yeah, that was good.